Hey everybody, I was sent this air mattress for free so I could do a review for you. This particular video, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing so you can see how it comes and the setup for it inside the box. So let's get this door open. So there's the end opened up, like it comes wrapped in a bag, like a storage bag. So it's a nice canvas drawstring bag. Empty that out. So you can see again, there's the bag that it comes in for storing. And here's the actual mattress itself. So we'll get that opened up. Unfolded. Oh, it's crazy. This is like really heavy. I've had a lot of different air mattresses, but this one feels like super thick. I'm really impressed so far. So there it is. The top is soft. The actual vinyl or whatever the material is feels really thick and sturdy. So, bam, that's what it comes with.